Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab, and today I'm going to do a little install on our 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. I have these little topographic graphics that go on this outer trim piece, and I realized, well, one thing, this does get a lot of sun exposure, so it will fade probably over time. However, when I was installing these ditch lights, I did accidentally nick this trim, so I decided to cover it up. Right now it's like 58 degrees. I recommend this install be 60 degrees or higher. Usually adhesive works better under those conditions. It's only going to get warmer today, so we're at the lower end of the temperature scale. When I say recommended temperatures, you really want to keep it within those temperature ranges for as long as possible. So if you just barely reach like 60 degrees and then it's like 20 degrees overnight, it's probably not going to have enough time to really bond. Once it bonds at a good temperature, completes that bond, you can dip into those lower temperatures with no issues at all. All these vinyls have experienced lower temperatures. See, sun's coming out right now, so it's going to get much warmer. I have this piece, and let's go through this install. Yeah. Okay, what you're going to do is make sure this area is really clean. I have some wax-free detailer. You don't want to use detailer that actually has wax in it. You don't want to make this surface slippery. This install is going to be a little bit more difficult for me because I have to kind of look on top of this piece because of the ditch lights right here. What you want to do is to center it up. Now, I recommend if it's really warm, or if it's warm in general, do not do this install in direct sunlight. Don't do any vinyl installs in direct sunlight because the vinyl can heat up really quickly. What I'm doing is I'm trying to center this as much as possible on this trim. I'm barely letting it touch the trim so that if I need to move it, I can. So I want to move it a little bit closer to the back. Again, a little bit more difficult for me to do this install because I'm having to reach over this ditch light. I'm electing to do a dry install. Wet install, you would slide this around and that would be easier for alignment purposes. However, you will have to wait for it to dry or use external heat to kind of encourage it to dry. Now, I've tacked it down and I'm pushing all the bubbles out towards the side. That's how we prevent getting bubbles. I'm still holding this end up, and I'm going to go from the center and go towards the front. If you're slightly misaligned, you can pull it up, kind of guide it, and then press down. All right, and there you have it. If you guys want to pick this up, just visit my website at stickerfab.com. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not already, and hit the bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things I'm coming out with for the 2024 and up Toyota Land Cruiser.